Hello students, welcome back to our video lesson. Last video lesson natin, pinag-uusapan natin ang quartiles of ungrouped data and deciles of ungrouped data. So this time, we are going to discuss about the percentiles of ungrouped data. So we have the lesson objective, calculate the specified measure of position of the data, specifically the percentiles of ungrouped data. So what is percentile? Percentiles are the 99 scores which divides the data into 100 equal parts. So we have the illustration for the quartiles. So take note for the quartiles that we have quartile 1 is 25% below quartile 1, that is equivalent to percentile or P25. Our second quartile or quartile 2 is 50% below this quartile 2, or that is equivalent to percentile P50. In our quartile 3, that is 75% below quartile 3, and in percentile it equivalents to 75% or P75. In our decile, D1 is equivalent to P10, D2 is equivalent to P20, D3 is equivalent to P30, D4 is equivalent to P40, D5 is equivalent to P50, D6 is equivalent to P60, D7 is equivalent to P70, D8 is equivalent to P80, and D9 is equivalent to P90. So take note that quartile 2 is equal to D5 and D5 is equal to P50 since they are 50%. Yan yung mga middle data natin, the Q2, D5, and P50. Example, find the 20th percentile or P20 of the following test score of a random sample of 10 students. So 75, 76, 77, 81, 82, 84, 87, 90, 95, and 98. So step 1, arrange the data in ascending order. So kung titingnan natin yung data, is naka-arrange na siya in ascending order. Step 2, use the general formula in finding the percentile rank or order. So we have the formula, we have K or P sub K is equal to K over 100 times N plus 1. So kung quartile siya, yung ano natin is nagiging Q, yung ano naman natin is over 4. Kung decile, nagiging D ito. Then, ano natin is over 10. Pag percentile naman, dito is nagiging P ito. Then, ito is 100. So, round off to the nearest integer. So, where P is the percentile, K is the percentile number, N is the number of data. Step 3, locate P20. So using the formula, we're going to locate P20. So K is 20 and N is equal to 10 because there are 10 students. So P20 is equal to 20 over 100 times 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 20 times 11 is equal to 220 divided by 100. So 220 divided by 100 is 2.20 or 2. So this means that P20 is the second element. So from 75, malawa. So first and second. So second element which is 76. Therefore, P20 is equal to 76. Example number 2. Suppose the math grades of 15 students are 67, 98, 81, 76, 71, 85, 86, 95, 85, 64, 92, 63, 75, 83, 77. Find the 70th percentile or P70. So step 1, arrange the data in ascending order. So we are going to arrange the data from lowest score to highest score. So the lowest score is 56, the highest score is 98. Step 2, use the general formula in finding the percentile rank or order. So we have the formula P sub k is equal to k over 100 times n plus 1. Round off to the nearest integer, where P is the percentile, k is the percentile number, and n is the number of data. Step 3, locate the position of P70. So using the formula, P sub k is equal to k over 100 times n plus 1. So P70 is equal to 70 divided by 100. Our n is 15 because 15 students. 15 plus 1. So 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. So multiply natin. 70 times 16 is equal to 1,120. 1,120 divided by 100 is equal to 11.20, or round down is 11. So therefore, our P20 is the 11th element. So 11th element or the 11th position. So titingnan natin sa data, ka-11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So therefore, our P70 is equal to 85.